See the next question. Find the middle term in the expansion of 3x plus x square by 2 to the power 7. Okay, here x value equal to 3x, a value equal to x square by 2, index n equal to 7. Here n equal to 7, index is odd, then there exists how many middle terms? There exists two middle terms, namely, okay, what are the two middle terms? N plus 1 by 2th term and n plus 3 divided by 2th term. Okay, that is n value 7 plus 1 by 2th term and 7 plus 3 divided by 2th term. Okay, that is 7 plus 1, that is 8 by 2, 4th term. If first term is the 4th term, clearly next one is the 7 plus 3 is 10 by 2, that is 5th term. Now see, you need to calculate 4th term and the 5th term. We know the formula TR plus 1 equal to NCR into x to the power n minus r into a to the power r. For T4, what is r value? R value equal to 3, and for T5, r value equal to 4. That we know, right? Okay, first calculate 4th term. T4 equal to, you can write it as T3 plus 1 equal to NCR, n value, that is 7, C, r value is 3 into x to the power n minus r. X value here, you can see, right, 3x. 3x to the power 7 minus 3 into a to the power r. A value here x square by 2. X square by 2 to the power r value equal to 3. Okay, now calculate. It's equal to 7c3 into 3x to the power 7 minus 3 is 4 into x square divided by 2 to the power 3. Here you can write it as it's equal to 7c3 into 3 to the power 4 into x to the power 4 into x square to the power 3, that is 6 into 1 by 2 to the power 3. A by b to the power n, you can write it as a to the power n by b to the power n. So x square by 2 cube can be written as x square cube divided by 1 by 2 cube. Okay, so x square whole cube is x to the power 6, 1 by 2. Don't write 2 cube. Suppose you are writing x square by, then you can directly write 2 cube. If you want to write that separately, that time you need to write it as 1 by, because it's in the denominator, 1 by 2 cube. So in the next step, see, if possible, simplify this one. So it's equal to 7c3 into 3 to the power 4 by 2 cube into x to the power 4 into x to the power 6 is x to the power 10. Okay, which formula? A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Okay, so further simplification is not required. Next, to calculate the 5th term. T5 is equal to T4 plus 1 equal to, apply NCR formula. NCR is 7C4 into A. X value is equal to 3x to the power n minus r. N value is index 7 minus r value is 4 into A is x square by 2 to the power r. R value is equal to here 4. So T5 is equal to 7c4 into 3x to the power 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4, it's equal to 3 into x square by 2 to the power 4. So T5 is equal to 7c4 into 3 to the power 3 into x to the power 3 into x to the power 8 into 1 by 2 to the power 4. So T5 is equal to 7c4 into 3 cube, that is value equal to 27 into Now see 1 by 2 to the power 4 into x to the power 3 into x to the power 8. It's equal to x to the power 11. Okay, so it's a value of t4 and t5. Next question is x minus 1 by 2y to the power 10. Again you need to find the middle term. Okay, here x value equal to x, a value, that is the second term, is minus 1 by 2 to the power 2y, and index n equal to 10. Okay, here n equal to 10, index is even. Then there exists how many middle terms? One middle term, right? Index is even means total number of term is odd. That time we can find only one middle term. Okay, one middle term, namely, what is that middle term? It is n plus 2 divided by 2th term. Okay, that is n value is 10 plus 2 by 2, that is equal to 10 plus 2 is 12 by 2, that is 6th term. 6th term is the middle term. So now calculate the 6th term. For T6, what is R value? R value is 1 less than the required value. R value equal to 5. So TR plus 1 equal to NCR into x to the power n minus r into a to the power r. So T6 can be written as T5 plus 1. Now we can see, right, R value is 5, that we wrote here. It's equal to NCR, that is 10C5 into x is x only here, n minus r, that is 10 minus 5 into a to the power r, that is minus 1 by 2y to the power r. R value equal to 5. So its value equal to 10C5 into x to the power 5 into minus 1 to the power 5 into 1 by 2y to the power 5. Okay, so in the next step it's equal to, see, minus 1 to the power odd number, it's equal to minus 10C5 into x to the power 5 into, here you can write it as 1 by 2 to the power 5 into 1 by y to the power 5. It's a middle term. Y, a by b to the power n, you can write it as a to the power n by b to the power n, as well as ab to the power n is equal to a to the power n into b to the power n. Here see, minus 1 by 2y, you can write it as minus 1 to the power 5 into 1 by 2y to the power 5. 1 by 2y to the power can be written as 1 by 2 to the power 5 into 1 by y to the power 5. So it is the middle term. See the next question, 2a by 3 minus 3 by 3a to the power 6. Here x value equal to 2a by 3, a value equal to minus 3 by 3a, it's equal to minus 1 by a itself, and index n equal to 6. Okay, in the next step, see here n value equal to 6, index is even. So there exists how many middle terms? Only one middle term, right? There exists one middle term, namely, what is that middle term? N plus 2 divided by 2th term. That is our observation, right? Index even means one middle term, that is n plus 2 by 2th term. Okay, that is, what is n plus 2? 6 plus 2 divided by 2, it's equal to 8 by 2, it's equal to 4th term. Okay, now calculate 4th term. For 4th term, we know R value equal to 3. So TR plus 1 equal to NCR into x to the power n minus r into a to the power r. T4 can be written as T3 plus 1. Now we can see, right, R value is 3, that we wrote here, equal to NCR. N is 6, C3 into x. X is 2a by 3 to the power n minus r, that is 6 minus 3 into a value is minus 1 by a to the power r. R value equal to 3. Again simplify this one. T4 is equal to 6C3 into 2 by 3 to the power 3 into a to the power 3. 6 minus 3 is 3, right? A by b to the power n is there. You can write it as, see, I am taking 2 by 3 as one term. 2 by 3 to the power 3 into remaining term is a to the power 3 into, here you can write it as minus 1 to the power 3 into a to the power 3. That is 1 by a to the power 3. Why 1 by? Here denominator a is there, right? That's why into 1 by a cube. In the next step, see, a cube get cancels. Numerator a cube, denominator a cube get cancels. And T4 equal to 6C3 into 2 to the power 3 by 3 to the power 3 minus 1 cube. Okay, minus 1 to the power cube means it's equal to minus 1. Therefore, T4 equal to minus 6C3 into 2 cube is 8 divided by 3 cube equal to 27. This is the middle term. See the next question. 3x minus 1 by 6x cube to the power 8. Similarly, you can solve this. X equal to 3x, a equal to minus 1 by 6 into x cube, index n equal to 8. Here n equal to 8, we know it is even number. Index even means there exists only one middle term, right? Namely n plus 2 divided by 2th term. Index even means one middle term, that is n plus 2 by 2th term. That is 8 plus 2 by 2th term equal to 10 by 2, it's equal to 5th term. 5th term is the middle term. So in the next step, see, to calculate 5th term for T5, that means 5th term, we know R value is 1 less than the required value. R value is 4. So write TR plus 1 formula. TR plus 1 equal to NCR into x to the power n minus r into a to the power r. T5, you can write it as T4 plus 1. Here you can see, right, r value equal to 4. It's equal to NCR. N means here 8C4 into x. X is the first term, that is 3x to the power n minus r, that is 8 minus 4 into a. A is the second term, that is minus 1 by 6 x cube to the power r is 4. So in the next step, see, it's equal to 8C4 into, you can write it as 3x to the power 8 minus 4 is 4 into minus 1 by 6 to the power 4 into x cube to the power 4. Why? AB to the power n equal to a to the power n into b to the power n. So it's equal to 8C4 into 3 to the power 4 into x to the power 4, same formula, into minus 1 by 6 to the power even number, that's value is plus 1 by 6 to the power 4 into here x to the power 4 3 is a 12. Why? A to the power m to the power n equal to a to the power mn. Now answer, right? 8C4 into 3 to the power 4 into 1 by 6 to the power 4 into x to the power 4 into x to the power 12. A to the power m into a to the power n is a to the power m plus n. So x to the power 4 into x to the power 12, x to the power 4 plus 12, it's equal to 16. So this is the middle term. See the next question. 3x minus 2 by x square to the power 15. Here x value equal to 3x, a value equal to minus 2 by x square. A means second term, you need to take minus also, and index n equal to 15. Now here you can see, right, here index n equal to 15, this one is a odd. Index odd, then there exists, we know, two middle terms, namely, what are the middle terms? N plus 1 by 2th term and n plus 3 divided by 2th term. That is n plus 1 by 2. That is 15 plus 1 by 2th term and 15 plus 3 divided by 2th term. Okay, now simplify this one. That is 15 plus 1 is 16 by 2, 8th term, and 15 plus 3, that's equal to 18 by 2, 9th term. 8th term and 9th terms are the middle term. So for 8th term, or alright, for T8, that is 8th term, R value equal to 7, and for 9th term, R value equal to 8. Write TR plus 1 formula. TR plus 1 equal to NCR into x to the power n minus r into a to the power r. Take it as equation 1. First take T8 equal to T7 plus 1 equal to NCR. N is 15, right? 15C7 into x is 3x to the power 15 minus 7 into a to the power r. A value is minus 2 by x square to the power r. Here r value is equal to 7. Okay. In the next step, see T8 equal to 15C7 into 3x to the power 15 minus 7 is 8 into minus 2 to the power 7 into 1 by x square to the power 7. So T8 is equal to 15C7 into 3 to the power 8 into x to the power 8 splitting into minus 2 to the power 7 is minus 1 to the power 7 into 2 to the power 7. AB to the power n is a to the power n into b to the power n into, here see 1 by x square to the power 7. That means 1 by x to the power 7 to the 14. Okay. In the next step, see T8 equal to minus 1 to the power 7 is minus 15C7 into, first I'll write number 3 to the power 8 into 2 to the power 7 into x to the power 8 by x to the power 14. That is, in the denominator x to the power 6 is remaining. Okay. So this one is the 8th term. Now calculate 9th term. T9 equal to, you can write it as T8 plus 1 equal to NCR. NCR is 15C. R value is 8 into 3x to the power n minus r. That is 15 minus 8 into a value is minus 2 by x square to the power r. Power r means here 8. So simplify. T9 equal to 15C8 into 3x to the power 15 minus 8 is 7 into minus 2 to the power 8 into 1 by x square to the power 8. I am splitting this term, a by b to the power n. Okay. In the next step, see T9 equal to 15C8 into 3 to the power 7 into x to the power 7 into minus 2 to the power 8 can be written as minus 1 to the power 8 into 2 to the power 8 into 1 by x to the power 8 to the 16. So T9 equal to 15C8 into 3 to the power 7 into minus 1 to the power 8 minus 1 to the power even number plus 1. Then remaining term is 2 to the power 8 into, see, x to the power 7 by x to the power 16. Okay. Then it's equal to 1 by x to the power 7 in the denominator. Okay. So these are the two middle terms for the given question. See the next question. X by 2 plus 3 by x square to the power 19. Here x value equal to x by 2, a value equal to 3 by x square, and index n equal to 19. Here n equal to 19, it's a odd, right? Whenever index is odd, there exists how many middle terms? Two middle terms. Namely, what are those two middle terms? N plus 1 by 2th term and n plus 3 by 2th term. That is n plus 1, that is 19 plus 1 by 2th term and 19 plus 3 divided by 2th term. That is 19 plus 1, 20 by 2. 20 by 2 is equal to 10th term and 19 plus 3, it's equal to 22 by 2, that is 11th term. So middle terms are 10th term and 11th term, but we need to find the value of that two terms. So for 10th term, that is T10, R value equal to 9 and for 11th term T11, R value equal to 10. In the next step, write the general term formula TR plus 1 equal to NCR into x to the power n minus r into a to the power r. Take it as equation 1. Now calculate two terms separately. First, T10 equal to T9 plus 1 equal to NCR 19C9 into x, that is x by 2 to the power n minus r 19 minus 9 into r, a to the power r, a value equal to 3 by x square to the power r is 9. In the next step, see T10 is equal to 19C9 into x by 2 to the power 19 minus 9 is equal to 10 into 3 by x square to the power 9 is there. So we can write it as T10 equal to 19C9 into a by b to the power n, a to the power n by b to the power n, into here also a by b to the power n is a to the power n by b to the power n. So T10 equal to 19C9 into, see, 1 by 2 to the power 10, here 3 to the power 9 into remaining term x to the power 10 into 1 by x to the power 9 to the 18. Again simplify this one, T10 equal to 10 19C9 into 1 by 2 to the power 10 into 3 to the power 9 into x to the power 10 by x to the power 18, that means x to the power 8 is remaining in the denominator. So it's a first middle term. Similarly, calculate the second middle term, that is T11. T11 equal to T10 plus 1, that is equal to NCR, n is 19C10 into x is x by 2 to the power n minus r 19 minus 10 into a value is 3 by x square to the power r value is 10. So T11 equal to 19C10 into x by 2 to the power 19 minus 10 is 9 into, here you can write it as 3 to the power 10 by x square to the power 10. So T11 equal to 19C10 into x to the power 9 by 2 to the power 9 into 3 to the power 10 by x to the power 10 to the 20. So simplify this one, T11 equal to 19C10 into, see, first I'll write the constant term 3 to the power 10 by 2 to the power 9 into x to the power 9 by x to the power 20, that is 1 by x to the power 11 is remaining in the denominator. So these are two middle terms. See the next question, root x minus 4 by x square to the power 11. Here x value equal to root x, root x equal to x to the power 1 by 2, and the constant term a equal to minus 4 by x square. Index n is equal to 11. What is your observation here? N equal to 11, it's a odd. Index is odd, then there exists two middle terms, namely n plus 1 by 2th term, same formula, and n plus 3 divided by 2th term. These are the two middle terms. That is n plus 1 by 2, 11 plus 1 by 2th term, and 11 plus 3 by 2th term. That is 11 plus 1, 12 by 2, 6th term, and 11 plus 3, 14 by 2, 7th term. So 6th term and 7th terms are the middle terms. For 6th term, r value equal to 1 less than the required value, that is 5. And for T7, we know r value equal to 1 less than the required value, that is 6. Write the general formula Tr plus 1 equal to NCr into x to the power n minus r into a to the power r. Take it as equation 1. Now separately calculate two middle terms. First consider T6. T6 equal to, substitute NCr. N is 11, C r value for 6th term r value equal to 5 into x. X is x to the power 1 by 2, that is root x, right? To the power 5, 6 to the power n minus r, that is 11 minus, that is 11 minus 5 into a value equal to minus 4 by x square to the power r value is 5. So T6 equal to 11c5 into x to the power 1 by 2 to the power 11 minus 5, it's equal to 6 into minus 4 to the power 5 divided by x square to the power 5, a by b to the power n formula. So T6 equal to 11c5 into x to the power 3, right? 6 by 2, 3 into minus 4 to the power 5 is minus 1 to the power 5 into 4 to the power 5 divided by x to the power 10. 5 2s are 10. So T6 equal to minus 1 to the power 5 is minus 11c5 into, see, 4 to the power 5 into x to the power 3 by x to the power 10, that is 1 by x to the power 7 in the denominator. Calculate the next term. T7 equal to T6 plus 1 equal to 11c6 into x is x to the power 1 by 2 to the power n minus r, 11 minus 6 into a value is minus 4 by x square to the power 6. So T7 equal to 11c6 into, here x to the power 1 by 2 to the power 5 we will get, and here you can write it as minus 4 to the power 6 by x square to the power 6, a by b to the power n equal to a to the power n by b to the power n. So T7 equal to 11c6 into x to the power, here you will get 5 by 2 into minus 1 to the power 6 into 4 to the power 6 divided by x to the power 12. So in the next step, see, T7 equal to 11c6 into minus 1 to the power 6 is plus 1. Minus 1 to the power even number means that is plus 1. And the constant term 4 to the power 6 into, here x to the power 5 by 2 is there into 1 by x to the power 12 is there. Take that 12 to the numerator, you will get x to the power minus 12. Okay, 1 by a to the power m equal to a to the power minus m. 1 by x to the power 12 equal to x to the power minus 12. So T7 equal to 11c6 into 4 to the power 6 into, simplify this one, you will get x to the power 5 minus 24 divided by 2. Okay, so final answer is T7 equal to 11C6 into 4 to the power 6 into x to the power minus 21 by 2. This is the answer for the given question. See the next question. Root x minus 3 by x square to the power 13. X value equal to root x, that is x to the power 1 by 2. A equal to constant term, that is minus 3 by x square, and index n equal to 13. Okay, so here n equal to 13, it is odd number. Index odd, then there exist how many middle terms? 2 middle terms, namely n plus 1 by 2th term and n plus 3 divided by 2th term, that is n plus 1 by 2. N plus 1 by 2 is 13 plus 1 by 2, and n plus 3, that is 13 plus 3 by 2th term, equal to 13 plus 1, 14 by 2, it's equal to 7th term, and 16 by 2, it's equal to 8th term. So for 7th term, it is T7, right? R value equal to 6, and for 8th term, it is T8, R value equal to 7. In the next step, see, write the general formula TR plus 1 equal to NCR into x to the power n minus r into a to the power r. Take it as equation 1. Now calculate T7 and T8. T7 equal to T6 plus 1. It's equal to NCR is 13C, R value 6. X value is x to the power 1 by 2 to the power n minus r, 13 minus 6 into a to the power r, that is minus 3 by x square to the power 6. So T7 equal to 13CR, that is 13C6 into x to the power 1 by 2 to the power 13 minus 6, it's equal to 7, into minus 3 by x square is there, you can write it as minus 3 to the power 6 by x square to the power 6. So T7 equal to 13C6 into x to the power how much? 7 by 2 into minus 3 to the power 6 is minus 1 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 6 by x to the power 12. So in the next step, see, T7 equal to 13C6 into minus 1 to the power 6 is a even number. So minus 1 to the power 6 is plus 1 into 3 to the power 6 into x to the power 7 by 2 into x to the power minus 12. 1 by x to the power 12 is there. 1 by x to the power 12 can be written as x to the power minus 12. Okay, remember this one. In the next step, simplify. This implies T7 equal to 13C6 into 3 to the power 6 into x to the power 7 by 2 minus 12. Okay, a to the power m into a to the power n formula. In the next step, simplify this one, take LCM, and you get the answer. Similarly, for T8, NCR is equal to T7 plus 1. Then NCR formula 13C7 into x to the power 1 by 2 to the power 13 minus 7 into a value is minus 3 by x square to the power r value is 7. So here it's equal to 13C7 into x to the power 1 by 2 to the power 13 minus 7, it's equal to 6 into minus 3 to the power 7 by x square to the power 7. So it's equal to 13C7 into x to the power 6 by 2, that is 3, into minus 3 to the power 7 is minus 1 to the power 7 into 3 to the power 7 divided by x to the power 14. So it's equal to 13C7. See, here minus 1 to the power 7 is there, that value is minus 1. So I'll put minus outside, minus 13c7 into 3 to the power 7 into x to the power 3 by x to the power 14, that is x to the power 11 in the denominator, 1 by x to the power 11. It's a 8th term. This is all about how to calculate the middle terms of the binomial expansions when index is even and when index is odd. Thank you, students.